Hi and welcome back to another 3D printed Halloween object. I found this thing on Thingiverse. It was printed in a 0.2 layer height with 5% infill and top 3%, bottom 3% layers, and then we printed it at 210 on the nozzle, 55 on the heat bed. Fan was 70% speed, flow rate was 100 as normal, print speed was 70 millimeters per second, and we scaled it to size 3. This is a no-name black generic PLA plastic. Did not need no support material. It handled it quite well. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but you can get as close as possible. It's got a patch on there, a nice meat cleaver on there which is grasping hold of. There, we're now in focus. Got a nice belt round his waist. He's holding a money bag, I think it is. Top percent, you won't really see that once the head's on anyway. The name of this figure is Pumpkinhead Halloween. It took quite a long time to print. Got a bit of echoing on there, or fish scale, whatever you want to call it. Got a hollow inside, so you can put little tiny LED lights in there if you wanted to. Got some nice little pointed shoes on there. And now onto the head. This was printed in an orange no-name generic orange PLA. I will be finishing this model off later with some paints to make it more realistic. Did not need no supports. The branches printed quite nicely. At this scale, this was printed at a 0.3 scale height, scale 3 times the original height. And it's hollow inside. And to my surprise, sometimes when I print these out they don't normally fit together. Here we go. And that's what it looks like with the orange on. So if you're a palletizer where you can colour each piece of plastic in a different colour, you should be able to blend it in quite nicely without one solid colour and then another solid colour and then painting it later. The palletizer tool takes all the trouble out of that, but I haven't got one. So if you like this type of 3D printed model and these type of videos, please hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching. And if you're watching this on Halloween, happy Halloween! No. Big thumbs up.